So very good morning. In this section, we are going to look how to create a file. So file is nothing but it is a named location which is used to store some related information. It's a named location. File is nothing but the named location which is used to store the related information. Directory is a collection of files and subdirectories. So if you want to do these actions, java.io package have a separate class called file. So that class is called as file class. So this is the file class. This is the file class, IO file class, which implements java.io.serializable and interface and comparable interface. So this file class might have different types of methods in order to make the manipulation of the file. So let's see an example of how to work with the file. So let me take this example. Public void static string arrays. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just I would like to create a file. File fo equivalent to new file. So this is the constructor. This is the constructor which is used to which is going to create the file object. Actually, this file object uh, is not the file. It is the abstract representation of. It is an abstract representation of file. It is abstract representation of a file or a directory or a path name. This is an abstract representation of a file or. So this is the place where I am going to give the file. So let me take ASD of 0. Just I would like to get it from the command line. Okay. So now fo is an object. Fo is an object which is used to create new file. Create new file is the method which is used to create the file. So now let me check with this demo file creation.java. Exception will be there, which is not included. Input java.io.file. Yeah. So once if you compile this program, it will give an exception. Look, it will throw an exception, IO exception. So let me catch that by using throws. Throws exception. Now it's good. Java C demo file creation.java. Okay, so there is no error. Now the file is created, I think so. Creation. Good. Index out of bound exception. It will require the name of the file. Okay, so Java demo file creation my text data.txt. This is the name of the file. So which is created ls my text. Look, my text data.txt which was created right now. Okay, fine. So let me work with demo file creation.java. So this returns a boolean. Status. Let me take it as a status. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just I would like to fix a criteria. If status system dot out dot println new file is created. Else system.out.println file is already available. Let me check this log. Control X. File creation.java Java demo file creation my text data.txt. A file is already available. A file is already available. Okay, suppose if you are going to create a new file, Java demo file creation my first.txt. A file is already available. It's also already available. My last.txt. So new file is created. It's perfectly working. Okay, so it's a boolean. So actually the status is a fo.create new file returns a boolean. So by means of that we are going to check whether the file is available or the file is created newly. Okay, so we have a lot of information. So just I would like to check system.out.println println. Let me check with fo dot is. Let me play with some other method to. So we have a lot of methods now. So let me check with what is the name of the file. What is the name of the file and what is the name of the file and whether the file is absolute or I'm going to get the absolute path. These are all the different methods and you have the return types also. Okay, so let's check with get name method. So file creation.java import, I think something is there. Demo file creation.java. This time demo file creation satishyom.txt. This is the name of the file I'm going to create. A new file is created. The name of the file is satishyom.txt. Okay, it's perfectly written. So please give some space, tab space by introducing \t. System.out.println. Let me check with another method. Get me is absolute. It's not an absolute because I am directly giving the name in the command line, so it is not absolute. It returns false. Is absolute and get absolute path. So let's check these two methods. Is absolute. Is ab solut. check these two methods. So it's very interesting to play with Java programming. So array index out of bound, my.satish.txt. So file is already available. So the name is my.satish.txt. It's not absolute, it's relative. And the path, it will return the path user Satish Shivam, my user, under user folder under the Satish Shivam, and the file name is my.satish.txt. So you can work with all the uh, support methods along with this program. So let me have another check. Okay, can read and can write and exist. So let me check with these three methods: can read, can write, and exist. Okay. So because of the evaluation of the intelligent systems, all these methods like VS Codes and other, ideally, all these methods are written by typing. But as a experienced programmer, you have to know the details of the program, mm, classes and its methods by this manner. Okay. So is exist system dot out dot println fo dot is exist can read, no? Can read, can read, can write, can read, can execute, can write. This time true, you can read, you can read it, you can read the data. Okay, but you can directly use file object for reading, because it should be associated with file reader. Okay, so direct method, there is no such method for reading or writing in the file itself. You can see here, so there is no such method. Okay, once if you want to read and write, you can go for file reader or file writer or buffer reader or buffer writer or principal reader or something else. Okay, so that's why, that's one important. So exist. Okay, exist. So it exists, it's true, it returns true. Okay, it's true. Can read, can write, so everything will be, so it's true, no? So let me check with the status. Boolean x equivalent to boolean x equivalent if exist, you can read it, you can read and write. If it is not exist, no, you cannot read, no. System dot can write. Is it readable and is it writable? based on the availability, no? So both are true based on the availability. Okay. So it's very beautiful to know how to create the file by using the file IO objects, file IO class, the objects of file IO class and its associated methods. Okay. So let's check with some other methods also. So you can check the length. You can check the length because it is not available, no, something. So you can delete the file, which is also returns a boolean. Okay. So and you can check whether it is hidden or not. Okay. So you can check with the length and delete. So here what I'm going to do is just I would like to check with fo.delete. So now it's deleted. And let me check with availability. Fo.exist. So just listen. It is not available because it was deleted by me. Okay. So it is not available. Based on the availability only you can do all the actions. No? So this time it's not available. The file was deleted. Fo.exist is the file is available. This file is available. It's not available. It's deleted. So let's check with my Satish. So there is no such file. We have lot. No. Okay. We have lot, but my Satish is not available. Okay. So that's the power of file IO. So hope you understand how to create a file by using the file objects and performing the various operations over the method available with the class. Okay, so see you in the next class. Watch more about the IO streams more intuitively. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Happy coding.